So today I want to speak to the people who believe that they were meant for more. If you're someone who truly wants to start a YouTube business, but for some reason you've been holding yourself back, or maybe you've even tried to grow your YouTube channel, but it's just going nowhere, then this is the message for you. I first want to start off by telling you that there's never been a better time in the time of history to start a YouTube business than today. If you have a phone, a laptop, and an internet connection, then you literally have everything you need to grow a profitable YouTube business. The era that we're in makes it so easy to grow a YouTube channel, to grow a business, even while you're working a full-time job. So I know this because I work full-time. I have several clients that I need to deliver projects to every single week. And if I can grow my YouTube business part-time, then you can too. And so today I really want to talk to you about the results that I've been able to achieve in the last 4 to 5 months, and just to prove to you that it is possible to start making money relatively early on YouTube. So once you start a YouTube business, it doesn't mean that you're going to wait years and years to make your first dollar. Not at all. If you are willing to put in the work, to put in the effort, then you can start making money within the next couple of months. And so I want to share the process that I've been following with you, just to show you what you can do and to inspire you to keep going. I dedicate around 5 hours per week to my YouTube business. Sometimes I have more time, sometimes I have less time. But the point being that I am committed to spending a couple of hours every week to make this business work. Now, so far in my YouTube business, I have managed to make $700 in the past 4.5 months, which I feel is incredible. It's absolutely amazing if you consider that I do not have the 4,000 watch hours. I'm not monetized with YouTube itself. So the way that I have made this money is by selling my own digital products from my channel. And the reason I love this business model a lot more than relying on YouTube AdSense to pay you is because it is so much more reliable. And by doing this, you are building your business from the ground up and you're setting the foundations for yourself to make money passively. So what I mean by this is, yes, I started with a single digital product that I started selling on my channel. And now that I'm making money with that product every single month, now I can go and I can start creating another product and I can start selling that one and I can make more income. And it literally just builds on each other like that. So eventually, I'm going to have several products in my YouTube business that I can sell on a monthly basis. And I'm telling you, there is no better feeling in the world than waking up to messages like these where it says, "Congratulations, you just made a new sale." And I was literally sleeping while I made the sale. And so another thing that I absolutely love about this business model is you do not have to quit your job to actually do it. Like I said, if you have 5 hours a week, you can do this. You can build your business part-time. So all of the money that you get from your YouTube channel is additional money that you can spend every month. And you don't have to worry about your rent, about your food, about anything like that because you still have your full-time job. How incredible is that? I do not know of a lot of business models that allow you to have a full-time job while building your business, and this one does. What I want you to do is I want you to start considering what skills you can teach people from your channel. What are something that you are an expert at, that you can talk about on your channel and that you can teach to other people? Now, I always tell people that if you want to start an educational based channel, you do not have to be an expert at something. You just need to be a couple of steps ahead of someone else. So let's say, for example, you are someone who is great at acrylic painting. You do not need to be an expert or Picasso or anything like that. You just need to be 3 steps ahead of the person that you're teaching. So you essentially just need to be 3 steps ahead of a beginner. I actually have a free YouTube business blueprint that you can download in the description below, and it outlines the exact 5 steps that I'm following to make this happen for myself and that you can follow too if you want to also grow a profitable YouTube business. Now, something that I do want to mention is that this isn't going to happen overnight. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. I am so against those kinds of things because I just hate it when people people promise these unrealistic things and it makes you feel so bad about yourself when you do not reach these goals that they set. To me, I personally would rather want a more realistic goal. Yes, it doesn't sound as amazing. I mean, like I said, $700 in 4.5 months isn't an astounding amount, but it is realistic and it is going to grow over time. So if that is something that you are interested in doing, then really consider grabbing the free guide because I show you exactly what I've been doing. Now, in my heart of hearts, I truly want to help people grow profitable YouTube businesses. And so over the next couple of months, I'm going to go ahead and document what I'm doing with my YouTube business so you can see the entire process of the things that I'm doing to grow my digital products, to make my funnels, to literally start earning more passively. And so if you don't want to miss out on any of the tips that I'll be giving, then do consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to be sharing so much and I don't want you to miss out. Now, if you have been trying to grow YouTube business, but you really are struggling to get views on your YouTube videos, I did create a separate video that talks more about the strategy that you can use to gain thousands of views and watch hours from your channel. And I covered it in this video right over here. So go ahead and check that out. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.